Embark on a breathtaking expedition, Life Beneath the Canopy, exploring rainforest wildlife. In this captivating journey, we'll venture deep into the heart of lush rainforests, where a world of incredible biodiversity thrives. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of the canopy, from vibrant birds to elusive primates and unique insects. Prepare to be enchanted by the sights and sounds of this astonishing ecosystem, and gain insight into the delicate balance that sustains life in one of Earth's most vital and diverse environments. Today, we'll talk about life beneath the canopy, exploring rainforest wildlife. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Rainforests, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, are some of the most diverse and complex ecosystems on our planet. Beneath the towering canopy of trees, a world of extraordinary wildlife thrives in the lush greenery, dense vegetation, and perpetual humidity. From the Amazon basin to the Congo basin and the rainforests of Southeast Asia, this comprehensive exploration delves into the mesmerizing realm of rainforest wildlife, uncovering the unique adaptations, remarkable behaviors, and vital ecological roles played by the creatures that call these forests home. Rainforest canopy. The rainforest canopy consists of the treetop region, or, more precisely, of the aggregate of every tree crown in the rainforest, including foliage, twigs, fine branches, and epiphytes. The upper canopy represents the interface between the uppermost layer of leaves and the atmosphere, and, for practical purposes, many researchers consider this layer to be only a few meters deep. Most of the biological activity in biodiversity within tropical rainforests appears to be concentrated in the upper canopy. Many abiotic and biotic characteristics of the canopy are different from the understory beneath. Its higher illumination levels promote more rapid rates of photosynthesis, which in turn promote higher vegetal production and consequently sustain a more abundant and diverse community of animals than in the understory. In a much publicized article in 1983, Terry Irwin termed the canopy of tropical forests the last biotic frontier, referring to the vast, but poorly studied, richness of organisms, particularly arthropods, resident in the canopy. Many regional and global ecological processes depend crucially on the integrity of the rainforest canopy, which possesses features unique to this environment. Hence, canopy science represents a young, but blossoming, discipline in the field of natural sciences. Significance of the rainforest canopy in ecological processes. Canopies of all types, including boreal and tropical forests, play a crucial role in the maintenance of ecological processes, although thus far, the attention of researchers has tended to concentrate on those in the tropics rather than those in temperate climates. The forest canopy is the principal site for the interchange of heat, oxygen, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. It has been estimated that most photosynthetic activities in the biosphere occur in the canopy. Forest canopies account for almost half of the carbon stored in terrestrial vegetation and fix more carbon per year than any other habitat. Ecophysiological studies are therefore crucial to predict the impact of increasing atmospheric concentrations of carbon dioxide in global warming. Thus, forest canopies both control regional climate and play an important role in regulating global climate. Rainforest canopies sustain countless species of animals and plants, and the majority of them are undiscovered and potentially unexploited resources. This important reservoir of genetic diversity ensures that vital ecological processes are performed by a variety of species, rather than a few, thus maintaining the integrity of the forest ecosystem in case of light disturbance. Adequate pollination and seed dispersal by a variety of organisms ensure the regeneration of the forest, whereas herbivory hastens the return of nutrients to ground level and their recycling. All three processes are prevalent in the canopy. Unique features of the rainforest canopy. The uppermost canopy leaves are typically thicker, more upright, and at higher specific leaf mass and higher photosynthetic rates than understory leaves. In closed tropical forests, the upper canopy is more akin to chaparral shrub vegetation than to rainforest understory vegetation. Leaf area density and the abundance of young leaves, flowers, and seeds are also higher in the canopy than the understory. Microclimatic conditions differ markedly between the canopy and the understory. Illumination, air temperature, wind, fluctuation of relative humidity, and water condensation at night are appreciably higher in the former. Indeed, the rainforest canopy may represent one of the most biodiverse biotas, perhaps containing between 50 and 80% of terrestrial species, depending on estimates. Besides the support trees, not only are many epiphytic plants, such as lianas, ferns, and orchids, arboreal mammals and reptiles, birds, and bats encountered, but unrivaled numbers of species of insects, spiders, mites, and other arthropods are also present. Ants represent the most regularly abundant animal group in the canopy, both in terms of numbers and biomass, whereas the most species-rich groups appear to be rove beetles, Staphylinidae, and weevils, Curculionidae. Typically, arthropod abundance and diversity are between 2 and 4 times higher in the canopy than in the understory. Many of these organisms show distinct physical or behavioral adaptations to arboreal life. These include the canopy root system of several tree species that tap into the humus accumulated within epiphytes, the coalescing roots of strangling figs, the prehensile tails and gliding membranes of various arboreal mammals, the foraging behavior of particular bird species visiting epiphytes to search for various food resources, or the many peculiar life cycles and specializations, symbiotic associations of a multitude of arthropod species. In particular, it is probable that herbivorous insects in the canopy are more host-specific to their host plants than their counterparts in the understory. Interactions between canopy organisms are often complex, due to heterogeneous substrates and patchy food resources, often resulting in intriguing mutualisms, such as ant gardens, in which ants harvest leaves to feed to cultures of fungi maintained by the colony. However, very little is known of most canopy organisms and their interactions with the canopy environment. Canopy access. The means for gaining access to the canopy, a major impediment to canopy science, was developed in the tropics. A pioneering attempt to study the canopy in situ by means of ladders and pulley systems was utilized during Oxford University's expedition of 1929 in Guyana, led by Major R.W.G. Hingston. The few studies performed before the late 1970s used fixed systems such as various towers, platforms, walkways, and ladders. In 1978, Donald Perry reported the inexpensive adaptation of a single rope technique used by cave explorers to ascend vertical shafts to the safe climbing of tall forest trees. This led to an expansion of canopy studies, augmented in the following decade, with newer methods permitting access to the upper canopy, including the canopy raft and accompanying sledge and canopy cranes. In addition, entomologists collect large quantities of canopy arthropods by insecticide knockdown, or by hoisting various designs of traps into the canopy. Landscape ecologists also study the canopy with satellite remote sensing. By December 1999, the canopy raft had completed 4 successful missions, and 4 canopy cranes were in continuous use in the tropics. The scientific exploration and study of one of the most significant, exciting, and endangered habitats on Earth has only just begun. Rainforests are characterized by their high annual rainfall and consistently warm temperatures. Explore the geographic distribution of rainforests, from tropical to temperate regions, and the diverse ecosystems that fall under the umbrella of this biome. The rainforest canopy is a world unto itself, housing a staggering variety of plant and animal species. Learn about the canopy's unique microclimate, its role in supporting life below, and the specialized adaptations of canopy-dwelling creatures. The world beneath the rainforest canopy is a treasure trove of biodiversity, where creatures of all shapes and sizes have evolved unique adaptations to thrive in a challenging and competitive environment. From the vibrant plumage of toucans to the silent stealth of jaguars, and the intricate web of interactions among ants, plants, and frogs, rainforests are a testament to the wonders of nature. Yet, rainforests face unprecedented challenges, from deforestation to the illegal wildlife trade, threatening the very existence of the remarkable species that call them home. The future of rainforest wildlife depends on our collective efforts to conserve these vital ecosystems, support indigenous communities, and raise awareness about the irreplaceable value of these incredible forests. As we explore the captivating world of rainforest wildlife, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of nature's design and the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems for future generations. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.